You know what this is? I had this whole thing. I was going to be like, this is the end. Then I just scared the bejeebs out of myself by knocking the gun into the desk. Anyway, I don't really have much in the way of material for you because, I mean, let's face it. We're all just in a mad dash to get these assignments done, right? We want to get done with the semester. So for this week, just for the purposes of attendance and bonus points, and I'm very much in a mood to give out bonus points. Hold on. We're going to do what I call the big grammar exercise. This assignment is going to take everything we've talked about as far as grammar goes. This includes passive verbs, commas, subject-verb agreement, things like capitalization errors, things like syntax errors, missing words, all that good stuff. You're basically just going to do, look at the size of this Nerf gun. It's the size of a Shetland pony. Like, look at this monster. I love it. My wife got this for me for Christmas a few years ago, and it just makes me feel like going out and taking on the whole empire, right? It's even missing a piece. You still have like a giant scope here. Anyway, that's enough of that. I want you to go into the discussion forums. And remember, this is for attendance, and it's also for bonus points. So if you complete this assignment, I'll give you a little bit extra on your old papers. So go into the discussion forums. There should be plenty of discussion stuff to go back and look at. It could be yours. It could be someone else's. I want you to find me examples of a comma error, a potential subject-verb agreement error, and a passive verb issue. That one should be easy. I want you to find me at least 5 or 6 sentences throughout the discussion forums and fix them. Suggest ways to fix these errors. You don't have to cover all of those grammar issues. You can kind of, if you want to just go and find 5 passive verb things, that'll be fine. But it's just a way for us to go back and look at each other's work and get a little editing practice. Remember, this is for attendance and it's also for extra credit. So don't explode your head on this. I've sent out a whole bunch of, I've responded to a whole bunch of emails. People asking, like all sorts of questions about the final paper. Final paper, everything is due May the 4th. May the 4th be with you, right? Star Wars Day or whatever. So everything is due that day. And I'm going to put it noon. Everything is due noon, May 4th. You can go back and you can catch up on old discussion posts. You can go back and, try to resubmit stuff. Really, I would say focus on either, and you'll notice I'm using the word either. Focus on either the original assignment, which is the group thing where you're responding to the crisis, or responding to that new shorter assignment. And as far as the research portion of the new assignment goes, if you've not done any of the research stuff, simply go back. And I'll write this up too, because I need to get this out there. Go online and find 2 sources that can help with your writing, whether it be grammar websites. Some examples would be Purdue OWL. I might even put these links up under this video. Purdue OWL, Grammar Girl is a good one. Grammarly, I think, is a service. You have to pay for that. Anyway, there should be a lot of these websites out there. If you do the alternative assignment, tack on a little bit of a works cited thing that's just sources on the web that can help you with your writing issues. Very simple, very easy. So either the original crisis material or the alternative assignment where I gave you those different instructions. Okay, I'll be sure to write up a quick description of the research component for that. It's very, very simple. Anyway, same thing as before. If you guys are having trouble, call me, email me. I'm here to help. We have a whole week that you can use to catch up on all this garbage. So I'm going to try not to give you anything else. I've given you enough. I might send out a hello video on Wednesday with a quick, very quick, like, how you doing discussion question so that we can count that for attendance. So be on the lookout for that Wednesday. Otherwise, yeah, I just want this to be over with. If these classes started online, it would be absolutely nothing, right? But since we had to massively move online in regard to the massive hamster stampedes that have messed up everyone and has everybody hiding in their homes, yeah, I just want to get it done, right? So anyway, you guys have a lovely day, and I'll get that write up for you, and feel free to call any of that stuff. All right. Y'all have a wonderful afternoon. Yes, in the stream.